Hi everyone, we're Fauzan Nugraha and Shofa Fadila, students from the English Education Department at Universitas Siliwangi. Currently, we're in our third semester, which means we've been diving deep into various aspects of the English language, including grammar and spoken discourse. This has really given us the chance to explore how grammar works in everyday speech, which is not as simple as it sounds. When we started learning about grammar in spoken discourse, we didn't expect the teaching method to be so different. Instead of just listening to lectures and reading textbooks, we were divided into small groups consist of 2 or 3 people, and we should to create a poster presentation. And yep, we were in the same group. This made things easier, but it also made a little bit more challenging because we know we'd have to rely on each other a lot. At first, we felt a mix of emotion when we were assigned the task of making a poster and presenting it in front of the class. We were both really excited, but we were also a little worried. We hadn't learned the material we were supposed to present yet, so we'd have to understand it on our own. The thought of presenting in front of the class was nerve-wracking because we have never been a good speaker. But we decided to go ahead and do our best because it was a great opportunity to learn and grow. We started by finding some materials related to our topic, and then we divided work. One of us would focus on designing the concept for the poster, while the other would handle to create the poster itself. Afterwards, it was time our turn to present the poster.
For our first presentation, we talked about modality in interaction and discourse strategies. It was a great topic because it taught us how models like may, should, and can are used in spoken language to express possibility, give advice, or show ability. For example, during our presentation, we used the sentence, "You can do it," to show how can expresses ability. In the same way, we used discourse strategies in the opening phrases like "Good morning everyone, today we will learn about," and turn-taking phrases such as "Now let's move on to the Q&A section," to ensure a smooth flow, which made us more confident and organized. But honestly, we were nervous, so our grammar and pronunciation were not as clear as we wanted. We reflected on what could improve for the next presentation. For our second presentation, we decided to switch our roles to preparing the poster presentation and presenting the material so that we could gain the same experience. In this section, we explained about cohesive devices. We used connectors like first, next, then, and finally to link our ideas logically. For example, at the beginning of the presentation, we said, "Let's begin with the first material," to give the audience an understanding that it was the first material discussed. In this presentation, we were much more confident. We were able to speak more clearly and manage our nervousness better. At the end of the project, we both realized that our understanding of grammar in spoken discourse had improved significantly. We also became more confident in our ability to speak in front of an audience. This experience taught us the importance of preparation, teamwork, and practice in delivering a successful presentation. We believe these skills will benefit for us